Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about arbitrage opportunity. For the past 2 weeks I've been talking about app review, website review. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you arbitrage, how you can make money from buying low and selling high. So without wasting much time, if you are coming across my video for the first time, please do well to subscribe, turn in the notification button so that you get notified anytime I drop a video. And I'm saying this to remind you I'm just waiting for there's something I'm actually doing at hand. So once I'm done doing that stuff, I will be giving you guys update upon update, especially arbitrage opportunity. I'll be doing exchanges arbitrage opportunity with high liquidity. So you guys stay tuned, subscribe to my channel because I'm about to hit the massive. Once I'm done what I'm doing, I will be consistent, dropping video every day, dropping arbitrage exchanges arbitrage for you guys to be doing every day. But for the purpose of this video today, I'm going to do arbitrage, buying low and selling high. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Okay, as you can see, I'm on my Binance, log into my account. So let me go straight and show you this arbitrage because I don't actually want this video to get longer. So first of all, what you need to do, this arbitrage, we are going to buy low and sell high. So first of all, you click on deposit. Once you are on this interface, what you need to do is click on deposit engine, ignore p2p trading, ignore buy with engine, click on deposit engine. Now click on deposit engine. It's loading. Okay, once you are on this interface, what you need to do is you insert the amount of money you want to buy. But for the purpose of this video, I want to go for 1 million. Mind you, the amount of money you use determine the profit you are going to make. So if you use low capital, you are going to make low profit. So the higher your capital, the higher your profit. That's all about this arbitrage. So first of all, let's insert the amount we want to buy. Okay, once you click on continue, you will be brought to this interface where you will insert the amount of money you want to deposit. So first of all, let's use 1 million. 1 million. 1 million. Okay, if you want to deposit 1 million, you will be charged a merchant fee of 5,000 naira and you will be left with 995,000 naira. So imagine you have deposited, okay, assuming you have deposited this money into your engine wallet, 995,000 naira. So what you need to do is you go back. Let me leave this interface. You go back to where you are seeing threads. Boom. You search for ngn/USDT. Once you are there, you now insert the amount of money that you are left with after the merchant fee, which is 995,000. Sorry, yeah, 95,000, which will give you 735 USDT. So what you need to do is you head over to P2P marketplace. Once you are on this interface, once you are on your P2P interface, what you need to do is you click on sell. Okay, click on the amount. Now input the amount you want to sell. Let me input 1 million. Okay, click on confirm. Okay, as you can see, we have a lot of merchants here that are ready to buy your USDT at that rate you want to sell. Okay, if you are not comfortable with this price, you can simply click on where you see filter here. Click on filter. Okay, apply last USD filter, not this one. You are going to toggle off this to show you merchants, also merchants that are not verified but they have posted ads. What you need to do is you toggle off the icon and click on confirm. Okay, as you can see, there are merchants who are not verified on P2P, who are not verified as P2P merchants, but they have they want to buy your USDT as this amount. So what you need to do is you click on sell. Don't be afraid, because since you are the one selling, you have advantage, because you need to first of all receive your money before you release the crypto. So don't be afraid. You click on sell. Okay, you now put the amount of USDT. It was 735 USDT. Boom. Can you see your profit now? Can you see your profit? You have made, let me say, 44,435 naira, that as your profit, by just implementing this simple strategy. This strategy works for everybody. It's unlimited. You can make money anyhow you want to. You can repeat this strategy more than 100 times, depending on your capacity, depending on how you want to sit on your device and be doing this always, always, and always. So if you like this kind of content, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button also, and like my video, comment, so that my channel will grow, please, so that it gets to another people to also benefit from this video. Thank you.